Good morning, students, and welcome back to the class. So, today we will discuss the fifth chapter, that is morphology of flowering plants. Okay, so morphology. Morphology means study of the external structure, okay, of the flowering plants. So flowering plants the external structure the study ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ morphology. Like that we have anatomy. Anatomy means the study of internal structure, okay, and morphology is the study of this external structure. And for our syllabus we don't have this morphology, so we will discuss about this modifications, okay, of this flowering plants, okay. So flowering plants they mainly consist the shoot system and root system. And the shoot system, the part of the plant which is above the ground, that makes the shoot system, and the part which is below the ground, that is a root system. Fine. And so let us discuss one by one, that is the root, stem, leaf, okay, all these are the morphological structures. Externally we see in a plant these okay, all these in the shoot we have stem, leaf, flower and all that, and in the root we have root system. In the root system we have roots. Let us discuss one by one modifications. So first we will discuss. So in plants we have this roots, stem, leaf and flower. So now we will discuss about the modifications in roots. Usually the roots are there for absorption of the nutrients and water from the soil, and also they help the plant to stay on the land, isn't it? They hold they help in anchorage, okay. And apart from that, what are the modifications in a root? So roots are modified to perform the functions other than the absorption of nutrients and that of water, okay. What are those modifications? Okay, first one, first we see mechanical support. That is a crop roots in case of banyan tree, okay. So ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆಲದ ಮರದೊಳಗ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬೇರುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ ರೂಟ್ಗಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ದೇ ಗಿವ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ modifications, okay. And this even in sugarcane and maize you have seen slit roots. Even though maize ಅಥವಾ sugarcane ಒಳಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಸ್ಲಿಟ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, they also modified roots for the purpose of mechanical support, okay. And another modification is storage of food. You see, that is here the roots are modified to store the food. Okay, and example for this is this carrots, turnip, carrot nodri, gajri ಏನಿದೆ, that is a root which is modified to store the food. We consume the this carrot, gajri ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, root bulged portion, ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, that is modified here to store the food. Okay, and even turnip and next for respiration, example rhizophora. Okay, so here the roots are modified for the purpose of respiration, that is they help to get the oxygen. Example for this is a rhizophora plant. Okay, and so here the plants which grow in marshy areas and waterlogged, waterlogged ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರು ನಿಂತಂತ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಸ್ಯಗಳು ಬೆಳಿತವೆ, ದೇ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೌಗು ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಸ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ here the roots are modified for respiration. Okay, and they help to get the oxygen. Okay, they are having a nematophores. The pores which help to respire. Okay, so these nematophores are the pores, ರಂಧ್ರಗಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. Okay, so in the marshy and waterlogged areas there is a scarcity of oxygen, the plant will not get sufficient oxygen, so that is why roots are modified to get the sufficient oxygen, that is for respiration, and they are having nematophores, that is the pores through which the exchange of gases or oxygen takes place. Okay, so that is a root system and modifications in case of a root. Okay, so roots are modified for storage of food, to provide mechanical support, and for respiration, isn't it? There's next shoot system, that is a aerial part, the one which is above the ground, and it consists of a stem, leaf, flower, etc. Isn't it? And so let us see one by one. Stem modification. So let us discuss about the modifications in the stem. Stem modifications. Okay, and first one, underground modification of stem for storage of food. Okay, for the storage of potato, ginger, turmeric. Okay, and even the, so you see, underground modification of the stem. You see here, potato what we consume daily na, that is a stem. In fact, it is a stem and it is modified for the purpose of storage of food. Likewise, the turmeric, arishana kuda enada, adu kuda underground modification of stem for the purpose of storage of food. And even ginger, adu shunti anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಏನಿದೆ stem, underground stem which is modified for the purpose of storage of food. And next, that is underground modification of stem. Next, aerial modification of stem. Aerial means the one which is above the ground. Okay, and here we have the tendrils. Tendrils which arise from the axillary buds of stem. Of a stem. Okay, so they are spirally coiled. Okay, they are spirally coiled. An example, pumpkin, watermelon, etc. Okay, you see, in case of pumpkin ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕುಂಬಳಕಾಯಿ, ವಾಟರ್ಮೆಲನ್ ಕಲ್ಲಂಗಡಿ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೆಂಡ್ರಿಲ್ಸ್. ಟೆಂಡ್ರಿಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬಲು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಪೈರಲಿ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ಡ್. ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಹಬ್ಬಲು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ modified as a tendrils. And next one is a thorns. So next modification is a thorn and the mullu. Axillary buds are modified into, they are modified into thick and a straight, okay, woody pointed thorns. Okay, and example for this are example opuntia or a cactus. ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಸ್ ಪಾಪಸ್ ಕಳ್ಳಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ axillary buds are they become thick, straight, woody and pointed thorn. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಥಾರ್ನ್ ಮುಳ್ಳಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಎದಕ್ಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಏನು ಮೇಯುವ ಒಂದು ದನಗಳಿಂದ ಸಸ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಟು ಥಾರ್ನ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಂದು ಮುಳ್ಳು. ಎಕ್ಸಿಲರಿ ಬಡ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು thick, woody, straight and pointed thorn. So it protect a plant from the grazing animals. Example is a cactus, Opuntia pappasukalli. Okay, and so with this we conclude here and continue tomorrow. Thank you.